Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video out in the workshop. Boy, the past couple days I've been finally finishing up this little project for the wife and I. Got it all done. So now I started cleaning up the workshop, and then you can see I got the four-wheeler, driven it out, let it idle for a while. Got to get rid of that old gas in there. But I want to start working on my MTXL. I want to make sure everything is correct with that linkage. And what I want to start doing is the front here, replacing this diff housing right here with aluminum, and make sure all the fluid is good. I want to put 500K diff oil in it. That's what I have in the back, and I have 1 million in the front, in the middle. So I figured 500K in the front and back should be good enough. We want to get this taken care of soon. It's getting closer. Just want to give a good look here of how she's turning out. A little dusty. It's been sitting for a while. Yeah, here's the aluminum diff cup that I want to put on. There's the part number. And then there's the FID diff housing for the diff cup. I want to do that. So yeah, then I'll be pretty well set with everything on the truck as far as I want to go. And then there is one thing I've done. We'll walk over here to the body. I put on those clip hangers. So you go like that, put them in or down, which way. It went pretty well. I think it's gonna look kind of neat. And there's the back, each one there. I don't think that looks too bad. Now I don't have to worry about holding the clips if I want to take the body off or losing them. We're gonna flip the body over. There's what it looks like when you drill the hole right there and there. The drill bit that I used, let me get the case out here. What was that one? I think, oh no, I can't remember. Oh, I think it was a quarter. Yeah, now I think about it, was the quarter. This one right here. It was the quarter one. Drill the hole. It looks like it's really super big. Yeah, I don't know if it was that one now. I honestly don't remember. Or was it this one here? Yeah, maybe it was this one. But anyways, what I did was I started from the smallest, jumped a couple sizes, and I still couldn't pull that through. So I kept going up until I found the right one. That's why, one reason why I bought this. It's a cheap old set off of eBay. I think I only paid like 15-20 bucks for this whole thing. And yes, I have replaced from here down with another cheap set. I broke a bit here. I gotta find that. But these come in handy just for small little things. You know, you're organized by size. But yeah, that's what that's for that. And again, there's that. Another thing I like to do with the body They were having a clearance sale at Walmart. Plastic dip. If you've seen my channel in the past, I've done all my RC bodies on the inside with that. I have cans galore in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, I use that to kind of stiffen up the body a little bit for more protection. Alrighty guys, well that was just a quick video. I got a little project I want to do before I get started on the Lowe's TMT XL. We're getting closer. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.